Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your Shiba Inu into USDT on Binance. It's an easy process. All you need to do is make sure you have a Binance account. And if you do not possess a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our said link. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, which is a must, all you need to do now is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. This wallet section houses all your tokens where you can find your profit and loss. And once you scroll over to your spot and you reload and you do not find your tokens there, you can simply scroll over to the funding where you can simply reload and take note of the tokens you have. So now I do have SHIB on my wallet. So I click on the convert option, which is there. And once I've selected convert, in the space for the from, I'm going to be searching for SHIB. Click on Shiba Inu, select the USDT, enter an amount of the Shiba Inu I wish to sell, which is everything. Click on preview conversion and simply convert. So guys, that's how you can simply convert your Shiba Inu into USDT. Do comment down below if you have any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.